out. Maymay, I'm sorry you're out. Dalawa na lang. I'm sorry, Maymay, you're out. Dalawa na lang. It's Kisses and Edward. Kaya ba? Ingatan mo si Kisses, ha? Pakiingatan. Baby girl! Baby girl, pakiingatan si Edward, ha? Si Edward ang gaganon sa lumamaya, ha? Okay, music!
We love golden chains, we love diamond rings. We could always name them designer things. Versace, Prada, Rolex, or Mercedes-Benz. The grind will never end. Oh, got my eyes on the prize, but it won't be much without you by my side. Yeah, we know.
1, 2, 3, and sorry! Tunable. Out to Edward and the winner is Kisses!
With you, I'm trying to kick it, kick it, kick it.
What's your name, sir? Luigi Juan? Okay, dahil ikaw ang winner, Kisses, meron siyang prize, of course. From Elbow Support. Woo! Nakakawis, ha? Alright, so this time, kapagod na kayo, Kisses? Do you want more from our PBB winners? Woo! So, hinga lang ng konti, hinga lang malalim. Dahil this time, pakikinigin tayo, of course, ng Team Real. Oh! So excited na ba kayo kinigin this afternoon? So this time, iiwanan ko sa inyo ang dalawang magpapakilig for you guys. Let's give it up!